First shade I'm going to take is He Returns. And I am taking on a Sigma Taper Blending E40 brush. This is going to go in our transition. Now we're going to take this shade Bat Signal, which is this dark brown. I'm grabbing that shade on one side of a Mario E3 brush. And first I'm just going to tap this shade on that outer V. And I'm going to take it into the crease. Now with no extra product, I'm just going to blend out these edges and bring that signal out. For the most part, this eye look is super easy. It's just all about the blending, and it's gonna look messy at first, trust me, but it will look good at the end. Going with He Returns and meshing that signal and He Returns together. Going back in with a little bit of Bat Signal. Deepen up this area. Blending outwards, circular motions. And like doing it in baby motions. Now we are going to clean up the inner portion. I am going to use my P. Louise base. This base is perfect to clean up the inner corners, especially if you're doing like some sort of cut crease. I am using a P. Louise brush. It's a flat brush. I actually got this brush in a set from P. Louise. There's like 3 of these flat brushes, like a skinnier one, a medium one, and this is like the thicker one. And I'm just gonna pat this base. And it's gonna look straightforward. I think this works just fine. Now for the star of the show, I'm going to use the shade Wham. This like aqua blue. And I'm using a Morphe x L'Oreal A19 brush. Grabbing Wham. I am going to spritz some Fix Plus on the brush and just pat this shade in. See how beautiful that blue is? Ugh. It's to die for. And it has like a little hint of green in it, which I am here for. Kylie did such an amazing job on this palette. I do give her that. Now that I placed this blue down, I'm going to go back in with Bat Signal on a Morphe x Jaclyn Hill GH40 brush. And just blending out this line we've created. I don't mind the glitters to go a little bit over just because it makes this look a little bit more cohesive. I feel like it does bring out the glitter more when you do this step. Okay, now that I did that, I'm going to go back in with that Mario brush, taking that signal again and just adding it back in to this area. The outer V. Just to blend things out and mesh. I'm going to add a little bit more into this side too. Doesn't that look so pretty? Now I am going to create a wing liner. So I'm going to use the KVD ink liner in the shade Trooper Black. Now that I added my eyeliner, I'm going to go in with the MAC Stack mascara. This is in the makeup brush. Alright, for lashes, I'm going to apply the Beauty Creations lashes in the style Expensive. Using my Eyelure London adhesive. When I use this glue, I don't really wait for it to dry, just because I feel like if you wait for it to dry, it doesn't really stick onto your eyelid. Like, you kind of have to apply it onto your eyes just like that, like kind of wet. Alright, so I'm going to add these lashes. So when I do apply lashes, I like to add them like at a slight angle. Like that. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so for my lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Bad Signal, that dark brown shade, with a Kessa x e.l.f. brush. I'm pretty sure this brush is no longer available. Correct me if I'm wrong. But these are so amazing. Alright, now I'm going to go in with He Returns, which is with that transition shade we used in the beginning in our crease. I'm going to just blend out under our lower lashes so nothing looks too harsh. And now for inner corner highlight, I am going to use Batgirl. A really nice iridescent shade. Now for lower lash mascara, I'm going to use the MAC Cosmetics mascara. Alright guys, and this completes this eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys out. Alright guys, so this completes this eye look. If you guys enjoyed it, please go ahead and give me a like. I definitely love this palette so much. I do want to create more looks with this, so if you guys do want me to do that, please go ahead and leave me a comment down below and let me know what colors you want me to use next. I also want to make another eye look using the Natasha Denona My Dream palette. I feel like that's another great palette to make an eye look with. So if you guys want to see that, also give me a like and also let me know what kind of color story you want me to do with that palette. I would highly appreciate it. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!